When you set ambitious goals, you face an interesting conundrum. An ambitious aim can launch you on the path to greatness, but the pursuit of this greater objective can overshadow the significance of the smaller accomplishments that comprise the goal you're attempting to reach. In the pursuit of that greater goal, let us take a moment to acknowledge the 7 minor financial milestones that will surely lead to your larger financial goal. Who knows? Maybe you've already reached some of these milestones without recognizing it. Welcome to Cashflow Canvas, where we teach lessons about investment and money-saving techniques. If you want to make your financial future better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Number 1. Earn more than you spend. A research found that approximately 34 million Americans, or around 13% of all U.S. consumers, spent more than they earned last year over a 6-month span. Earning more than we spend is a milestone that not everyone can celebrate, especially with strong inflation driving up the cost of everyday necessities like rent, groceries, and utilities. This simple principle of earning more than we spend serves as the foundation for any solid financial strategy and marks the beginning of wealth creation. The ability to maintain your spending below your earnings is a significant accomplishment that will serve as the foundation for achieving your financial goals. Number 2. Have an emergency fund. According to Bankrate's annual emergency fund survey, 68% of consumers are concerned that they would be unable to meet their living expenses for even 1 month if they lost their principal source of income. This is a frightening figure, but it demonstrates how crucial having an emergency fund is. Emergency reserves are crucial safety nets that offer 3 primary benefits. First, it provides a sense of financial stability, helping you to sleep better at night knowing you have a financial cushion to fall back on. Second, it keeps you from getting into debt when an unforeseen event occurs, which can take years to repay, especially if the interest rates are high. Third, it allows you to respond rapidly to emergencies before they escalate. We've all disregarded a problem because we were afraid of the financial ramifications, only to watch it worsen the longer we waited. The first milestone worth celebrating is saving your first $1,000 in an emergency fund. Then you can continue to save anywhere from 3 to 6 months of your basic living expenses to assist protect you from any major emergency, such as a medical bill, an accident, or a job loss. So give yourself a pat on the back. You've reached a significant financial milestone. Number 3. Create a budget. According to a recent survey, 1 out of every 10 Americans does not have a budget in place, leaving them in the dark about their financial situation. Creating a budget is a significant achievement that should be celebrated. By constructing a budget, you obtain a better understanding of your income and expenses, allowing you to make more informed financial decisions that match with your long-term objectives. Your budget does not need to be difficult. Listing how much you make, how much you spend, and where you spend it is an excellent method to understand your finances and serves as the cornerstone for successful money management. Making a simple budget like this will help you identify areas where you can save money and cut your spending. By analyzing your spending and finding areas where you may be overspending, you can begin to reclaim control of your finances and divert your funds to help you achieve your financial objectives faster. Number 4. No debt. Experian found that Americans have an average of $5,221 in credit card debt and $20,987 in vehicle loan debt. The average American currently owes $26,208 in consumer debt. Getting out of debt or avoiding debt in the first place is a significant milestone on your path to financial security. Consider debt to be a leaking faucet that constantly drains money from your pocket while filling the wallets of the bank. Just like a leaking faucet, the longer you wait to address it, the worse the leak becomes. High interest rates increase the amount you must pay, which raises the interest rate, which raises the amount you owe. If left addressed, this leak can grow out of control, making patching more difficult. So whether you paid off debt, are in the midst of paying off debt, or never got into debt in the first place, you should be proud because you are achieving a significant milestone that will bring you closer to your financial goals. Number 5. Open a retirement account. According to the Federal Reserve, 25% of Americans don't have any retirement savings. Starting and contributing to a retirement account is a significant milestone worth celebrating. Investing for retirement is an important step towards financial independence. Many of these accounts also include tax advantages that allow you to benefit from compounded interest over time, allowing your money to grow and accumulate faster than in a regular savings account. When you contribute to a retirement account, you take an active role in managing your savings. As a result, this milestone is worth celebrating as a means to recognize your efforts in planning for the future and managing your money responsibly. Number 6. Establish solid credit. Having a decent credit score is definitely something to be proud of. A strong credit score confirms that you are financially responsible and understand how to manage credit. A strong credit score is like having a secret golden key that gives you access to locations, advantages, and benefits that others do not have. Almost inevitably, you will use credit at some point in your life, whether to buy a car, a home, or to invest. So, possessing this golden key to good credit will make this financial aspect of your life a lot easier. For example, suppose two persons wish to buy a house. One holds the golden key of good credit, while the other has the brass key of kind of acceptable credit. The person with the golden key will have access to cheaper loans, making repayment considerably easier and faster. Because their interest rate is substantially lower, their monthly payments are reduced, allowing them to use the extra money they're saving to pay down the debt faster. This not only allows them to pay off their debt more quickly, but it also saves them money on interest. The other person does not have this advantage. Their loan is significantly more expensive, resulting in greater monthly payments and a more difficult repayment process. Number 7. Learn about personal finance. Learning about personal finance is one of the most significant achievements to celebrate. To become proficient in any skill, we must first learn and practice it. The more we study about money management, budgeting, investing, taxes, and other issues, the more money savvy we become and the closer we get to financial independence. One of the most effective methods to learn about finances is to develop a financial plan that is in line with your goals and priorities. As we conclude, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video and learned something new, and I look forward to seeing you in our future videos. I would deeply value it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support will help us to create more valuable content, and we can work together to secure your financial future. What are the key takeaways from this video that you can share in the comment section?